Good day everyone. My name is Aaron Miranda from E40B7 and I will be discussing problem 5.16. A pipeline engineer working in Kuwait for the oil giant BP wants to perform a present worth analysis on alternative pipeline routings, the first by land and the second primarily undersea. The undersea route is more expensive initially due to extra corrosion protection and installation costs, but cheaper security and maintenance reduces annual costs. Perform the analysis per the engineer at 15% per year. These are the given for the pipeline routing by land. Initial cost is $215 million. Operation and maintenance is equals to 22 million annually. Replacement is 30 million at year 25. Expected life of 50 years and an interest of 15% annually. Present worth is equals to negative initial cost minus operation and maintenance given annuity 15% 50 years minus replacement given F 15% 25 years. P is equals to negative 215 million minus 22 million times 1 plus 0.50 raised to 50 minus 1 over all over 0.15 times 1 plus 0.15 raised to 50 minus 30 million times 1 plus 0.15 raised to negative 25, which is equals to negative 215 minus 22 million times 6.66 minus 30 million times 0.0304, which is equals to negative 362,443,000. These are the given for the pipeline routing by undersea. Initial cost is 350 million, operation and maintenance is 2 million annually, replacement is 70 million at year 25 with expected life of 50 years, 15% interest annually. Just as the same as the solution for the routing by land, P is also equal to negative initial cost minus operation and maintenance given annuity 15% 50 years minus replacement given F 15% 25 years. P is equals to negative 350 million minus 2 million times 6.66 minus 70 million times 0.0304, which is equal to P is equals to negative 352,127,000. And that ends my discussion for today. Thank you.